I am Dr. J. Mahamayi, Associate Professor of Commerce. I am very proud to take this e-content class on the topic mobile banking. What's mobile banking? Mobile banking refers to the use of mobile device to access the banking and financial services offered by the banks. Each and everyone knows what's mobile. In day-to-day life, we are all using our transactions with the help of only the mobile phones. If we are doing the banking business or transactions with the help of mobile phone, it is denoted as mobile banking. Today, we are very busy. So, with the tight schedule, each and every person is unable to go to the bank for doing their banking transactions. So, with the help of new technology in the banking sector, reforms, a revolution in the banking sector, a new concept which has been developed in the recent year is mobile bank. Mobile banking is nothing but we are doing our banking transactions or services, whatever may be, with the help of mobile phones. It is called as mobile banking. Mobile banking enables the customers to check their bank account balance, conduct the online transactions, transfer of funds, pay the bills, etc. without visiting banks. I have already told each and every person is a tight schedule, so they are unable to go to the bank for doing their banking transactions. So with the help of mobile phones, one person is able to transfer the funds from one person to another, from one bank to another, or the same bank from one account to another account. And also it helps the customers to check their account balance. What's the balance today? What is the debit? What's the credit? For us, each and every minute we are managing our fund with the help of mobile phones. And also mobile phones helps for doing online transactions. For example, one wants to give a menu with the help of Swiggy, etc. Zomato. We are able to book the menu details and we have book order and we have to make a payment with the help of phone only without paying cash. So it's a paperless work. So each and everyone having mobile phones have an option to do so much of functions with regard to account transfer, mini statement, online transactions and fund transfer and payment of bills. For payment of bills denotes its insurance premium. One wants to pay the premium to insurance company. With the help of phone itself, we can do it. With the payment of the hotel bill and with the help of restaurant bill and also the electricity bill, water bills, whatever, anything you are making payment to outsiders, we can visit the mobile banking app. With the help of mobile banking services, one can do it all the functions without payment of cash. Only with the with the help of internet connection only, we are able to make our payment. Customers use the M-banking. Another name is for mobile banking is M-banking, anytime and anywhere banking also. It is unstructured supplementary service data or application provided by the bank installed on the mobile device. So the basic condition, they should have a mobile phone, internet connection, and also we are having the access service from the bank. Then only one can able to access the mobile banking activities. Structure of mobile banking. Mobile banking is a service sector. So we have used it for, we have put it in the PowerPoint, phone banking for shopping, insurance, stock market, and for QR code scanning. We can use it the mobile banking services. The main history of the mobile banking. The earliest mobile banking system was used SMS banking. First mobile banking is used only for SMS purpose. Only we are putting SMS. We know all of you have to put a SMS. So in the phone, WhatsApp message, just we have to type the SMS and automatically it goes to the somebody. So it is previous days, it is called as SMS banking. With the introduction of smartphone, Apple phone, Google Android, a new technology devised, it is called as mobile banking. The other name for mobile banking is anywhere and any moment banking at any moment 24 into 7 or 365 days at any time we are having option to use the mobile banking services. Only during the bank only we are banking hours only 10 to 5 p.m. But with the help of mobile banking one can access the net facilities without waste of time, without paper work. We can use it at any time, at anywhere, at any moment. So the mobile banking, another name is M-banking, anytime, any moment banking. The first, it was started in the European countries only. Features of mobile banking. Accessibility. It can easily accessed by anyone. With the help of phone only, net facility, it can be accessed by any persons. Security. In the suppose we are going to bank and take 5 lakhs rupees and 10 lakhs, it is safe, not security and safety for us. It may be misused or it may be robbery taken place. But with the help of mobile banking, one can easily secure the funds from one account to another account without moving to the bank. Then transferability, I have already told, the fund can be easily transferred from one person to another person, from one bank to another, or the same bank from one account to another bank. So it is easy accessible, more safety and security, and the fund can be easily transferred. With regard to investment, portfolio management, one wants to buy a share or stock in the share market without referring the Bombay stock market only with the help of stock brokers only, with the help of net connection, with the help of smartphone and Android phone, one can able to assess the stock market position, and the home itself we can able to buy a huge number of shares. At the same time we are able to sell the shares also. So it's an investment portfolio management is another main features of mobile banking. Next is digital payments. Without currency or without moving the funds cash in the form of cash, it can be transferred with the form of digital only. And customer service, I have already told, for payment of insurance bill, electricity bill, water bill, insurance premium, and whatever the online purchase payment, anything can be done with the help of mobile banking by using the mobile bank app. So these are the main features of mobile banking. It saves time and also provide convenient way of making fund transfer, enables easy tracking also. For example, one can send a money with the help of mobile banking, one can able to track the payment mode, which place, whether it is reached or not. So it is easy for tracking and monitoring the bank accounts, and also facilitates the quick responding of any illegal transactions, fraudulent activity, and also it's for redressal of consumer complaints. If the use of mobile banking service, if the customer face any redressal or grievances, immediately we are able to report the fact to the customer bank of the branches. And also it increases the request processing speed. WhatsApp message 1 minute it will be played to another person, respondent. So it also increases the speed of the transfer of transactions. Make online shopping, one can able to purchase anything with the help of online, and also it allows the trouble-free management. Nobody is interfering, what is asking, what is we are fund transferring, what amount we are taking, nobody is watching us. So it's a trouble-free management, and encourage the customers to stay indoors during the pandemic period. During the corona period, all the banks are closed, nobody is allowed to go out. So during this corona period, the mobile banking app is very useful to the customers. In the sitting on the home itself, we can purchase anything, we can doing all our banking activities. It eliminates to need not carry the cash to any place. It's a measure, safety measure. Yeah, some robbery taken place, some persons they have to stolen our cash withdrawal amount so far. So it's a protects safety and security, and it reduces the chances of theft. Next one is disadvantages of mobile banking. It causes of inconvenience because it is applicable only to Android phones. Those persons only button phone, or those having lack of knowledge about the technological of the mobile phones, this person is unable to use the mobile bank. So it reaches only a few customers only. They require high technological skill and having the Android mobile phones. Those persons having button phones and the old model phones, the mobile banking is not applicable to those persons. And it removes the human touch. If we are going to visit the bank, face-to-face communication is possible, banker and customer. It's a main relationship has been created. What queries we are asking, what is the respondents they are seeking. So we cannot able to understand the face-to-face conversation. It's only a one-way communication. We cannot able to interfere. So it completely removes the human touch. And it raises security concerns. Only personal identification number, only PIN, we can able to go to the banking activities. Suppose one can forgotten the PIN number. Suppose any person can be notified the PIN number, they can use, for example, ATM card. For example, enter into a ATM machine, one can enter a PIN. Suppose the same persons in the ATM room, they watch the ATM PIN number, they can use it in your ATM card with the password. So it is safety as well as not secured, and safety is not possible here. Suppose if there is a network problem, there is a result in delay of movement of fund or transfer of funds, and also it is not safety and security. With time, though these advantages will ensure time speed, but it is due to network problem. It is wire poor network, monsoon, whatever may be reasons, net connection is poor, it is unable to move the funds from one person to another person. And also complex of interface, it is very difficult to install the mobile bank activities app, etc. And also any fraud, it's very difficult to who is responsible to make grievances or redressal, etc. So the mobile banking app is very difficult to download, and also if there is any mistake in any fraud, it is very difficult to make complaints or redressal, how to retrieve it in future. And also the delay service request, and also it is effective communication may not be possible, customer feelings, complaints, feedback cannot be assessed. So in short, mobile banking or M-banking is a new device or new banking technology used by the customers, those who are having mobile phones with the help of Android or Google network services. It is mainly suitable for making fund transfer, easy accessible, high speed, 24 hours into 7 days service, 365 days at any time, anywhere banking. It was firstly used in European countries. Nowadays it is highly used by each and every person without going or without visiting to the branches of the bank, one at doing the banking activities sitting on the home itself. So as far as possible, mobile banking is a new device or control used our banking services. Thank you one and all.